Okay guys, and welcome back to my series on sequences and series. In this video we are going to be talking about the arithmetic progression and the arithmetic series. We are going to start with the concept of arithmetic progression. Okay, my name is George B. Smith. Now, arithmetic progression, it's always referred to as AP. That's the most common name. Most of us know it to be AP and GP and the rest of that. So AP means arithmetic progression. Okay, most times we also call this the arithmetic series. The arithmetic series. Okay, arithmetic series is for the summation of terms. We also call this the linear sequence. Linear sequence because generally the pattern of the sequence is linear. Okay, these terms we have they follow a linear progression. Okay, so when you talk about a linear series or a linear sequence or arithmetic progression, this is basically what you have. In what I have here, if you notice, this is the first term, this is the second term, this is the third term. If you look at the difference between the first and the second term, it is a 4. I need to add a 4 to get this. Difference between these two is also a 4. Difference between these two is still a 4. And difference between these two is also a 4. So when you have same difference, okay, that difference is what you call the common difference. Then you say that kind of progression is an arithmetic progression. So generally here we can say the difference between these two, D, that's what we generally use, equal to 4, and A, which is the first term, we use A to represent the first term. We'll see more on that. Coincidentally, the first term is also 4. Okay, we have another example here. The first term, if you look at A we have here, which is the first term, is 6. But now looking at the difference between this and this, what can you do to 6 to get 1? We are going to add minus 5. Okay, if you add minus 5 to this also to 1, add minus 5 to this, between these two you're still going to get add minus 5, you're going to get 4 minus 4, and from this to this, the difference between them is also equal to minus 4. So how do you actually tell the difference? It's simply you saying, okay, I'm looking for 1 minus 6, and 1 minus 6 will give us minus 5. Or yeah, same thing as you saying you minus 4 minus 1, that will give us minus 5. Or in this case, you see saying minus 9 minus of minus 4. This will also give us this is minus 9 plus 4, which is still minus 5. So yeah, our common difference is equal to minus 5. The first term is that. So we still have this one. For this, you can go ahead and confirm that this is not an arithmetic progression, because the difference between this and this is a 3 rather. This is a 3. Difference between these two now is a 2, and difference between these two is a minus 2. You can see the differences are quite different. For that reason, this is not an arithmetic progression. Okay, so that's how you tell if something is an arithmetic progression. So generally what you do is to look for the second term minus the first term. Okay, and you see if the second term minus the first term, is it the same thing as the third term minus the second term? If you have other terms there, then you go ahead and check, is it the same thing as the fourth term minus the third term? Okay, this is always what you look out for. If they are the same thing, then you say that is an arithmetic progression. So let's see the general pattern. We are saying the common difference is usually denoted as D, and the first term usually denoted as A. So now the sequence becomes, the first term is A, next we have A plus D, next we have A plus 2D, A plus 3D, and so on. Okay, that's what we have. From this, if you look at the nth term, because notice here, for the second term, it is 1D. For the third term, it is 2D. For the fourth term, it is 3D. So this is more like you saying 4 minus 1D. This is you saying 3 minus 1D for the third term. This is the second term, is you saying 2 minus 1D. So it means for the nth term is going to be n minus 1D. So this is what you call the general term for the nth term of an arithmetic progression. This is the nth term of an arithmetic progression. So take notes. This is for AP, the nth term of an AP. So from the next video, we are going to be looking at examples on this, and also we'll look at the arithmetic series, okay, which is sum of terms of an arithmetic progression. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.